This is how to add logo in Gamma AI. From your dashboard, select the Gamma, then select a card you want to add logo. For instance, we will select the first card, then go to the right menu and select images and choose an image source. For instance, we will upload an image, then click to upload, select your logo, and close this one. Then you can resize your logo by dragging this image. So you can resize this and you can align this at the center by going to center align. You can also drag this below the title or put it on the right column by dragging this to the right or to the left. So let's drag this to the left. So this is how to upload logo in Gamma AI.